Understanding price cutting. A guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common business term, price cutting. Understanding this concept is crucial for anyone interested in commerce or economics. So, let's dive into what price cutting means and how it's used in everyday English. Price cutting refers to the practice of reducing the selling price of goods or services. This is often done by companies to attract more customers, compete with other businesses, or clear out inventory. It's important to note that price cutting can be both a strategic decision and a response to market conditions. To understand price cutting better, let's look at some examples. Retail sales. Stores often cut prices during special sales events like Black Friday. Competition. A business might reduce prices to stay competitive against a rival offering lower prices. Overstock. If a store has too much of a product, they might cut the price to sell it faster. Price cutting can have various effects. Positive. It can boost sales and attract more customers. Negative. It might lead to reduced profit margins or a price war with competitors. In everyday English, you might hear phrases like, "The store is cutting prices for the holiday season. They're having a price cut to clear old stock." I hope this video has helped you understand what price cutting means and how it's used. Remember, it's a common term in business and commerce, reflecting a strategy to attract customers by lowering prices. Keep practicing your English, and you'll soon be fluent in the language of business too.